Good morning, guys. You want to talk about random chaos and brains? I woke up this morning and for whatever reason that I don't understand at all, I was in the weirdest mood. Like, my mood was all over the place. Angry, sad, to the point where I was sitting on my couch just sobbing for no reason. None. Nobody had said anything to me. Nobody had done anything to me. I just woke up and for whatever reason, I was not able to regulate my moods, and it's taken me the better part of almost 2 hours to come out of the funk, whatever it was, and to be able to be a somewhat rational person. I'm still not all there yet, to be honest with you. And I'm not sure that I'm ever going to understand what is the purpose for these days. They don't happen that often. I mean, often enough. But does this happen to you guys? Do you ever end up just waking up and having, for no reason that you can explain, just the funks and, the ups and the downs? If you do, what do you do about it? How do you make yourself feel better? How do you bring yourself out of it? Because it's really difficult for me to bring myself out of it. And it kind of impacts my relationships with people around me, especially my fiance at these points when I end up getting into these moods, because he doesn't have to say anything to me and I kind of just snap. Anyway, I just thought I'd share. Have a good day.